Welcome to yet another video of Make Web World. In this video, we are going to talk about RSS feeds and how easily you can read them on your Mac machine. The application which I am going to talk about is called Leaf. It is a newsreader, and if you see, it's currently available in the featured section also, and it is one of the good and complete RSS feed reader which you would like to install for your Mac. I'm just going to install that on my Mac and we will see how easy and user friendly interface it has. Okay, so it has been installed. Let's see. Yeah, this has been installed. Now what we are going to see is the very first pop-up screen. Currently it only supports a Feedly account or the local RSS engine. Local RSS engine is when you are directly adding feeds to it, RSS feeds. You can actually give the URL and can keep those URL and keep syncing, but that takes away the online syncing. So if you have multiple devices, suppose you have a phone, tablet, and you want to sync your RSS feeds or your reading status across devices, the local engine will not suffice for that. You might need a Feedly account for that. I have that account, so I'm going to use the Feedly account currently. It's very easy, just sign in with anything. I'm just going to sign with my Google account. So I have just signed up, sign in. The first thing which it is going to pop up is for subscription. If you want the updates from them, you can just subscribe. I am already subscribed, so I will just close this box at this point of time. This is the complete UI, and you can see that the UI is very simple. I am just going to put it in a full screen so that we get a look of complete UI. The complete UI is just 3 panes. You can see there is a section for articles. It's the subscription feed. That's thank you message from them. So let's close that. So the first section is giving you the name of the RSS feeds. Second section is giving you all the articles, and third section is where you are going to read your articles. This particular section gives you access to folders as well as the inside feeds. If you want, you can actually add more folders here. You can say the create folder, subscribe to feed, import OPML, add Feedly account, or add RSS service. So you can do a lot of action right from this panel itself. You can just refresh it, or you can just export all the subscribe feed also. The complete UI is very sleek. There are few things which we want to check first. Let's see the preferences, and you can see in the preferences you have refresh interval, which is 5 minutes. I usually change it to 1 hour. Keep read items for almost 1 month. Confirm all, mark all read, and just general settings for your RSS. Then you have the sharing list. So you can select which services you want. If you keep sharing the article on the social networks, or you want to keep it on a LinkedIn's or Pocket, those kind of things are there. You can just enable and disable the services which you would like to use for reading the articles. The other thing which is good here is this time they have introduced themes. So you have a white background, you can have a dark background, or you can have a coffee background. This is one of my favorite which I always use, but depending on your choice you can do that. You can even enable rectangular images, so all these images will change to rectangular. Again, with the latest way iOS is going and Mac is going, we will keep it to the round. You can even do import and export also. Now let's talk about this section. So I will just put it in the full screen again. The main idea behind the UI is to provide an easy accessibility to the content. So you can see that it is evident in each and every action and gestures which is enabled in the app that they want you to have a maximum exposure to the content. Because this is an RSS feed, people want to consume content out of it. This is the section where you can just see the list of RSS feeds you are subscribed to, and you can select between all articles, unread, and start. I will just keep it unread, and if you like to keep it on one single thing, you can just hide this. So you again get a maximum visibility area for your content. This is again, you have a option to search the articles which is locally available. You can actually mark read, delete, share, and mark star right there. These are the general actions which is available from the UI, and you can just browse through all the articles. The good thing is the complete UI has been integrated with Mac gestures. So with the two finger swap on Mac trackpad, you can do up and down on the list. You can even select the content, and you can just move down and you can move to the next article. So you are just browsing through, just read one, move up and read another one. So it's very easy to read the articles in it. The other good thing is you can see that there are three boxes. You can select what kind of reading experience you want. The complete RSS feed, there is a clutter free article which will just bring you a text. It's more of a reading mode. And the third article, this is like the clutter free article, and the third icon is for website. So it directly takes you to the web link inside the in-app web browser and will open the website here, where you can actually read the complete article. And you don't even have to click on those buttons. The left and right two finger swap works here to browse through, up and down, left and right, and you can do all those things. The other good thing is fonts. You can see that appearance menu is there. You can select again the background colors, font, and fit width to the edges. So you can see that once I select, you are using the complete space. You can remove and you have the line height and width and all those other stuff which is there. So the intent is pretty good, that read as much as you want and with easy accessibility towards the content. If you subscribe to many RSS feeds and would like to manage on your Mac, I would suggest to get this RSS reader. Currently it does support only two feeds type, local as well as Feedly, but there is a plan to add more and more services to it. You can even go to the Rocky Sand Studio site and suggest them what services you would like them to work on first, and they will deliver those services to you. Hope you would like this app review and would give it a try. If you like to see more app reviews, just subscribe to Make Web World and keep watching the videos. Thank you very much.